This is how the second day of the Iranian army's massive maneuver kicked off. This time, the ground force showed its might by deploying its artillery, choppers and combat UAVs to take down mock enemy targets. This as the Navy also sent its homegrown Tariq and Ghadir submarines, which fired torpedoes against surface and subsurface targets in the Sea of Oman.
We in the Navy have upgraded our subsurface, surface and aerial equipment, and this has allowed us to expand our intelligence dominance to as far as 2,500 kilometers from our coastline.
The ground force has so far accomplished all its assigned missions in the drill. We have so far acted in close coordination with the three other forces. This synergy is what we are trying to achieve to bolster our deterrence.
Codenamed Zolfaqar-1400, the massive drill kicked off on Sunday with surface and subsurface vessels, air and naval flights, radars and missile systems, held over 1 million square kilometer area stretching from the Strait of Hormuz to the Sea of Oman and north of the Indian Ocean. The military exercise seeks to upgrade Iran's capability in defending its territorial waters, while sending a message to foreign actors that they're not welcome in the region.
If regional countries join hands, we can protect the security of our region, and we do not need extraterritorial actors to step in our region from thousands of kilometers away with the excuse of keeping our region safe, while in fact they bear nothing but insecurity and instability here.
In recent years, the Iranian armed forces have displayed a range of homegrown military equipment in annual maneuvers as a show of might to the country's adversaries. The military says more than 80% of the used hardware are built domestically, sending a message to the West that their arms bans have prompted Iran to stand on its own feet and indigenize its defense arsenal.
Military officials say the ultimate message of this drill is that the Iranian army has the power to defend the country's soil. And what's even more significant is that it does so using entirely indigenous weapons, something which defies decades of U.S. arms embargoes that blocked Iran's access to even a bullet from outside its borders. Yusuf Jalali, Post TV, from the location of the drills.